Okay, next I would like to show you how to make future Facebook posts, but in regard to upcoming, based on the calendar. So, if we were to work on the events, like the Arrowhead Tour Championship events, for example, we go to the website, we look at the schedule of events. Now, we've got the Spring Big Hole Classic. That's the first one, April 28th. What I would like to do is to have a Facebook post sent out on March 28th. Okay? So 1 month before the event. So again, we know how to do this. And again, these are all pretty much pre-made. And if they're not, you'll know how to do it by looking at the PicMonkey tutorial. So it's the Big Hole Classic, the spring one, which is right here. So I'm going to export that Big Hole postcard so I know what to look for. Export to computer. Okay, so that's in my computer. Now I come here, and we've done this several times. To upload a photo. This right here. There it is. Okay. Now signing up teams for the Spring Big Hole Classic. Now, the next thing that I need is I'm going to need a link. Register now. And go to publish, schedule. March 28th. There we go. And so on March 28th, that will publish. Again, then 2 weeks before the event, so April 14th, I would like to have a very similar post, but this picture tweaked a bit, and as you can see, a few spots remain. Sign up now. The Big Hole always fills up, so I'm very confident, knock on wood, that people will be signing up for it, and that will be relevant. So you just repeat the process, but 2 weeks from the day of the event, and that timing usually works pretty well. Any questions? Be sure to let me know.